Hi guys, this is my About Me. My name is Bianca Lena Noriega. I am 24 years old. I attended Cal State Monterey Bay and graduated in 2016 with a degree in kinesiology. I am attending the Ventura campus of Laverne. Here in the corner is a little picture of me to show you who I am. Next, this is my family. They are a really big part of my life and everything that I do. Without them, I wouldn't be where I'm at today. I wouldn't have been able to experience a lot of the things I've experienced. They're just a really good support system, and I'm really lucky to have them. To the left is my mom and my dad, and that's us on the day I graduated from college. Here on the right is my boyfriend and my niece and my nephew. They're a really big help because they show me, life's not so serious, when every time I get stressed, they try and lighten the mood, they let the crack jokes, take some breaks and go to the beach, watch the sunset like we're doing in this picture. So I'm really grateful to have them because sometimes things can get a little hectic and I tend to stress or, sometimes I get a little grumpy and they help me out a lot. Here to the left is my grandpa. He's also a really big part of my life. He's been there every step of the way since I've been a child. He supported me at school when it came to softball and sports, and he still continues to support me till this day. And the top right that's a picture of my brother. I wanted to include him just because he was a big part of my life as well. Unfortunately, he passed away in 2016, but he's been a really big impact from when I was little and I was in high school and throughout college. And I still like to say that he's with me and watching over me and on my journey as well. Here in the bottom right is my little pup. That's Nico. I just had to include him because he's so cute and I like him. Here is a little more about me. I attended Cal State Monterey Bay on a softball scholarship. So here are some photos of me when I was in college and when I was playing. I like to travel as well. That is another thing about me. Recently, I just got back from vacation. I went to New Orleans and I went on a cruise. So here in the top left-hand corner is the French Quarter. We went on a swamp tour. Down here are the little alligators. We got to hold a little baby alligator. And in the top right, this photo says NOLA 300. That is because when we were there, it was the 300th anniversary of New Orleans. So that was quite the experience. And here are some pictures from our cruise. The top left-hand corner is Cozumel. And then at the bottom, I am pictured with the sloth. That one is in Honduras. Sloth is my favorite animal, so I was really excited when we got to see them. That little guy, his name is Sid. Here on the top right, we went to Belize. Obviously, you can see that there. And here on the bottom right is Costa Maya, Mexico. And then in the background, that's our Carnival cruise ship that we were on as well. And it was a 10-day long cruise, so it was really fun and exciting. I had never been on a cruise before. So that's a little bit about me. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my video.